Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe, a very simple recipe, 1 skillet, kielbasa, and rice. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by thinly slicing your kielbasa, and you can use any type of sausage you would like. And then you're going to need a medium onion diced. Sounds pretty simple. We're going to start off with adding just a little bit of olive oil to your pan. Add your sausage. Go ahead and throw in your onion. Now we're going to add about a teaspoon of the minced garlic. Make a teaspoon and a half. And we're just going to combine that. We're going to let it cook for about another minute to 2 minutes. Now you're going to add one of the 14.5 ounce cans of petite diced tomatoes. One 4 ounce can of the diced green chilies. Or if you don't have these, you can use Rotel. It's the same thing. And just combine that. It smells so good already. And once you combine everything really well, you're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes so you can let your tomatoes and your little chili peppers soften. We're going to add about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of chicken stock. This is just water and bouillon cubes. I put 2 bouillon cubes in there. And you're going to bring that back up to a boil. And then you're going to add about 1 3/4 cups of, I'm using instant rice because I like it better. I'm just going to stir it in there. Just combine everything. You're going to turn it off and you're going to put a lid on it and take it off the heat. We're going to let it sit just like that for about 5, 6, 7 minutes. And we're not going to disturb it. And just like that, dinner is going to be done. Now for the taste test. For as little as ingredients as we put in this, it is absolutely phenomenal. So good, so full of flavor. Now I'm gonna go over and eat. I hope you like this video. I hope you make it soon. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.